how to set your cellular to allow more data on 5G over Wi-Fi on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Cellular. Next, we go down and tap on Cellular Data Options. In here, tap on Data Mode. And then if your option is set to standard or low data mode, you can select Allow More Data on 5G. And here say allow more data on 5G, prefer 5G over Wi-Fi, and use it for software updates, automatic iCloud backups, and higher quality media. So if you want to use your, if you prefer to use 5G over Wi-Fi, you can select allow more data on 5G. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.